guys, welcome back to my channel. We'll see how stable this setup is. I just did this setup. So this is my Echeveria subtilis, also known as, let's let the lawnmower go by. Also known as Morning Beauty. So I want to say I've had this one already. Let's just say it's been more than 2 years. I'm very proud of it. I don't want to say this because I don't want to jinx myself, but that's fine. I don't believe in that, right? No mealy bugs ever on it. Very, very prolific. It's been in this pot also for quite a while, possibly 2 years as well. And as you can see, it's been producing. I've been tempted. I have removed in the past some of the babies. I don't know if I want to do that as of right now. But yeah, I have many of these already around, growing. Very easy to propagate as well. Well, I mean, she produces so many babies. I don't need to propagate the leaves at all. So yeah, it's hard to clean because I try not to mess up the farina, which I already am messing it up, but what can I do? Nothing I can do. I could try to use tweezers, but I would be here forever with the tweezers. Yeah, many of these already have like aerial roots, so it'll be so easy to go ahead and cut it off, let it callus over, and then you could just go ahead and put it in the soil. So yeah. I'm excited for this side of the yard. I've been giving it a lot of attention right now. It could be because of the weather. Right now it's not too hot for them, and it's not raining all the time, so they're looking good. And I'm just hoping that this work that I'm putting into this, it's not for nothing, that when summertime comes, I'm able to protect them and they're able to stay where they're at. Because as of right now, if I would try to put all these plants that I have currently in the greenhouse, that would not work. It's not gonna work. So yeah, oopsie. Some leaves came off. So yeah, there are so many succulents that I like. It's really hard to pin down a favorite. I don't know if I have a favorite. I was gonna ask you guys, do you guys have a favorite? A bug bugging me. This can be very relaxing. It's a bug bugging me right now. Yeah, so I've noticed in the greenhouse, I don't know if it's because of the time right now, you know, where the sun is currently now at this time, because we're in winter. I don't know if it's hitting the greenhouse now on the other side that I considered shaded. It's on there now. So I'm thinking it's getting also more sun than it was before. So I'm possibly thinking about moving some plants that look, they're showing signs of I need more light. Like this one. This one shows signs of I need more light. One time somebody suggested that I pull her out. She was fuller and looked just more, I don't know, more compact. Someone suggested for me to take it out the greenhouse, right? Because I had already some of these growing out of the greenhouse. And they do look different in color wise. The other ones have more hints of like purple and blue. While this one is more of a like light greenish blue, like mint color, I guess. And I did that, and then it just wasn't looking happy. And then I had to put it back in the greenhouse. I don't know why it just wasn't looking happy. Maybe it had to do with the spot that I put her in. No idea. So yeah. I'm gonna keep this one in the greenhouse. I know what it is. A fly keeps landing on me. Stop it. Get away, buddy. Look at that fly. Never had flies like that bug me. Maxie. I think this is as good as it's gonna get me cleaning it. Oopsie. Ow, stop it. I have an idea for a video. It has to do with plants, succulents. Well, yeah, succulents and cacti together and camping. So I just need to get set up and do it. I just need to decide to do it. I think about it all the time and just haven't done it. So I need to just sit down and do it for you guys. And I don't know if I'm waiting to find this certain thing and then do it. So I don't know if that's what I'm waiting for, or just go ahead and do it and then figure out the rest later. Maybe I can do that. So yeah. Okay. That's it, I think. Okay. Yeah, this plant and topsy-turvy, these type of succulents are really prolific ones. So there you go. Now it looks better. It looks clean. Look at all the stuff that I removed. Might be some leaves and some babies in there, but yeah, I'm not worried about it. Not worried about that. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I was talking about inside the greenhouse. 1 second. So that you guys don't hear it, but I couldn't move it. It doesn't let me move the lever. I don't know why, and I don't want to break it, so we're gonna have to deal with that. But as you can see, this cactus was over here. I'll show you guys without trying to make you guys dizzy. It was over here, and when I look over here, and it's not, a cloud just went by the sun right now, so you don't see it. But when I look over here, there is always sun, but apparently it's not enough sun for that plant, this cactus. These, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's in the Puntia family as well, but I'll show you. Here is the funny thing is, you see this part here, this is what it's supposed to look like, that perfect little oval or teardrop shape, I guess you want to say. So that hasn't changed in the old growth, but the new growth has stretched out. See, it gets all like stretchy, And that's because it's saying it's not getting enough light. Same thing with this. This had an oval shape, but there is none left to show. Maybe not oval shape, but more of a like this shape, not pointy, more just of a thicker, not skinny shape. And yeah, now it's all like that, and that bothers me so much. You don't even know. Like I said, I don't know, I have some weird tendency of wanting things to look the way they're supposed to look, you know. It could be a little bit of perfectionist, I don't know. But anyways, I thought that was a bug for a second. So yeah, this has to, and this should be looking like this. I really like this shape. I thought about possibly maybe trimming it and letting it grow all back. And I could propagate the pieces that I trim, and then the new growth on the pieces that I trim, I'll be able to harvest and then have it grow the way it's supposed to grow. This one, I guess, apparently, I don't want to touch that because that's ridiculous when it gets in your skin. But that one, oh, stop it. That one right there apparently had enough sun when it was growing, so it kept its shape. But yeah, a lot of it doesn't. I saw this at Home Depot as well, on the video, and it looked the way it's supposed to look. So yeah, that's my thing. So I moved it over here, and I'm hoping that it starts to grow shape. But yeah, I might definitely, I might not go crazy trimming it. I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna trim some of it to keep its shape again. Look, some of these have their shape still. I guess I can trim only like the super long ones because they really bother me. So we'll see about that. And then this one, like I said, I think it's been wanting more sun. That's the reason you can see that it's curving a little bit, looking for the sun. So yeah. So I think that that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, so I have a couple of videos in mind that I'm going to be doing for you guys. So keep an eye out for those. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.